Dr. Condolences, family, as well as condolences of my party, which I lead, the Democratic Party of Kenya. I join everybody in condoling with you. And as I said on Tuesday, I'm never in the habit of purporting to be a preacher, notwithstanding the many verses of the Bible that I can call that to be appropriate for this occasion, because Dr. Wehenya, I believe, is coming to give us that particular aspect. But let me say this, because the church has been so gracious to us as political leaders, and knowing those of you who know my disposition with regard to order. In fact, the title of my book is The Fight for Order. We must also be fair during certain occasions and observe time. Surely 3:30, having started here past 10:30, is long enough. And I think we needed the family also to hear something from the church. So I want to plead with ourselves that I will not, contrary to expectation, I believe, that I make a long speech about where we have come from, because many of you have spoken. I'm sure we can be able to piece together what has come from the various leaders that have spoken before me. Suffice to say, those of us in the opposition, styling ourselves the United Alternative Government,